Everybody, we're starting this project here in Buda, Texas. It's a little something. It's awesome because we got a lot of rain last night, but we came and covered our project with some tarps. That way it's not too muddy when we want to work and excavate the soil out. That's what we're doing. We ran a sod cutter, that machine, through this whole thing, and it left us a nice flat area. Look at that. So we just go through and we just shovel it all up, put it in a pile, take it onto the trailer, and then dump it to the yard. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, we covered this whole area with the tarp yesterday, so it's not too muddy getting all this out. But hey, pretty nice, pretty flat, just how we like it. So what we're doing here at this project is we're gonna put a flagstone patio with black star gravel in the cracks. So we're having a circular shape. It's got an odd shape like an amoeba, but it's all gonna look pretty neat after it's all said and done. We're gonna show you how we lift all this up. Like I said, we ran a sod cutter through here to the nice level area, and then that way our cuts are nice and clean. So we're gonna start shaping this out, prepping it, and then getting ready for all this flagstone we're gonna put in tomorrow. So this is a Mexican cream flagstone. Beautiful, beautiful stone. Beautiful stone. Let's get the time lapse going. This out, everybody. Got it done. Got the nice black star gravel, Mexican cream patio stone, all squared away.